medication. It also prevents time waste, and it is also very lightweight because it is made from plastic and steel combined. Also, it can perform an X-ray if you have a broken bone or something which is internal, and it has the equipment needed. Uh, if it is not able to cure the patient, it will notify the ambulance, and also to call a lifesaver don't. You just have to dial 137 on your phone, and it is very medically helpful.
So suppose you all live in extremely congested area with traffic, like wherever there's a lot of traffic, LBS road and all. Like आप में से यहाँ पर कौन-कौन पवई, भांडुप, कांजूरिया यहाँ पे कोई रहता है पास में? तो आपको पता होगा कि ट्रैफिक कभी लाइक मेट्रो की वजह से बहुत ट्रैफिक है. So what this drone can do is, suppose आपके घर पे कोई asthmatic patient होगा, and like the person is suffering an asthma attack. So what this drone can do is it can deliver the inhaler under a minute, and the patient can be saved.